Hey everybody, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thanks so much for coming by. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, today's video, I'm going over 3 common Uber and Lyft passenger scams. So if you drive for Uber or for Lyft, these are some things to look out for. And if you're a passenger for Uber and Lyft, these are some things that you probably shouldn't do, because let's face it, if you're scamming people, it's not going to always work out, and a lot of times you will get caught, and there are punishments and consequences for it. So before I get into that, if you drive for Uber or Lyft, if you drive for any rideshare platform, give the video a big thumbs up, because that is basically, you know, the one thing that I do ask you to do, and it helps me out so much. So please give the video a thumbs up if you like making money, and if you like to be a safe driver. Give the video a double thumbs up and subscribe if you want. You don't have to though, but do it. Okay, I guess really quickly, introduce myself. Hi, my name's Dylan. I've been driving for a while, and a lot of the things I did discover on my own, and a lot of them, some of them actually didn't happen to me. But I'm going over 3 major ones. These are the top 3 ones. I might make a follow-up video, but the number 1 passenger scam that I know of that's happened to me, and happens probably very frequently, is that passengers will order a ride, and my car has 4 seats, well 5 including mine, but 4 seats. They'll order a ride and they'll have 6 or even 7, they'll have, yeah, more than 4 passengers. 5, 6, sometimes even 7. They're like, oh, let's just squeeze in, I'll ride in the trunk. I'm like, dude, no. And a lot of people actually are mad. They get mad when I say no. They're like, well, all the other drivers let us do it. Listen, I'm not gonna break the law for you. If I get pulled over, guess who's getting a ticket? Me. Because as a driver, I don't know if you remember, but when I take my DMV test, you know, you have to know that you can't break the laws. And if you're a driver, just because you think that they're the person, you don't want them to tip you or rate you badly, the way you get out of that is you never accept the trip until everybody is, you don't start the trip until everybody's inside. So don't fall for that. It's illegal, and you will get deactivated if somebody finds out. And the reason it is a scam is because they are avoiding taking 2 Ubers or 2 Lyfts. They're trying to just go the cheapest option possible. This could even happen on an Uber pool ride or Lyft shared. Or they're avoiding taking an Uber XL, which both are pretty much going to come out to the same. It's like twice as much as a normal ride. Scam number 2, this is probably the worst, is that somebody offers you cash for a ride. You don't want to do this because, number 1, it's not tracked through the app. You don't know who that person is. For whatever reason, they can't download Uber. They couldn't figure out how to download Uber or Lyft on their phone. Maybe they don't have a phone or a credit card, so they couldn't download the app. Instead, they want to pay you cash. So nothing is tracked through the app. Number 2, there's no insurance. Every time you take a ride, Lyft and Uber insure your ride. So if anything happens, you know, you're covered. And when you got your own private insurance policy for yourself, you agreed that you will not take people in exchange for money. However, when you're doing Uber and Lyft, that's okay because they're covering you. But at the same time, they probably drop you. But if I'm just saying, if you've taken a cash ride, your personal insurance is not going to cover it. You can do a little fender bender, you know, usually your insurance just covers it. You're paying all of that out of pocket, buddy. There's 10 grand right out the window. Don't accept a cash ride, the 30, 40 bucks or whatever it is. Sometimes people just throw you 10 bucks. You might think in your head, oh, well, you know, a lot of passengers do this because they think, oh, well, my driver, you know, doesn't need to take any commission, or Uber and Lyft doesn't take any commission from that ride. Yeah, there's a reason Uber and Lyft take commission, because they're providing insurance, they're tracking everything, they created the whole platform. Number 3 or number 4, you'll get deactivated from Uber and Lyft because you're pretty much stealing customers from them. You don't want to ever take a cash ride under any circumstances. Number 5, that person might not even pay you. A lot of times they'll say, oh yeah, I'll give you 20 bucks, and you're like, all right, get in. And then at the end, they'll just jump out of your car. Trust me, I know. That happened to Greg. He's another creator on this channel. So don't take cash rides. It's horrible, but be prepared that somebody might offer you cash for a ride. Number 3, this is I hate this one. Unfortunately, a lot of passengers do this. This is probably one of the most common ones, is that they'll ask you to go to a different location than is in the destination in the app. You'll say, they'll, you know, whatever, they're going to In-N-Out and they say, oh, you know what, can I go to Burger King instead? In your head, you're like, yeah, sure, why not? I still get paid for it. You know, Lyft and Uber just pay you based on the GPS. But after that trip, when it looks like you went the complete opposite way, that passenger is going to contact Lyft or Uber and say, hey, my driver got lost. Can you refund me the ride? And you don't know. I mean, there's no proof that you can say, oh, well, he requested it because it wasn't done through the app. So anytime somebody asks you to change the location of the destination, you can say, I can do that, but you need to change it through the app. And yeah, you just also keep in mind you cannot do that on Uber Pool or Lyft Shared. Their destination cannot be changed, I'm pretty sure. But otherwise they have to do it through the app. You don't want to get scammed. A lot of people are cheap. They're trying to get free rides. Uber and Lyft is already super cheap, and so people are just used to free, or not free, but really cheap transportation, so they want to get a free ride. I really hope you guys don't fall for these tricks. I have before in the past. There's a lot of them. I haven't gotten to all of them, but those are the top 3. Let me know if you want me to make a follow-up video. I have 10 total. Maybe I can do a top 10 scams. Unfortunately, there are a bunch. So I do want to inform you guys, but I know at the same time, so a lot of you guys have been complaining that the videos have been too long, so I try to keep them short. So let me know if you want that. If not, give this video a thumbs up for the short video and subscribe, and just give the video a thumbs up. Let's try to get to, I don't know, let's try to get to 1,000 likes. If we can do that, I will dance in my, I shouldn't say that. Okay, whatever, I already said it. I will dance on my next video if we get to 1,000 likes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you all soon. Maybe you don't want me to dance. I don't know, maybe that's a bad thing. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Just leave a like. Alright, I'll talk to you all soon. Bye guys.